fixed the tail light already. This marker light wasn't working. Turn signal wasn't working. I already fixed one truck. So I went in here, pinned it out. There's the turn signal wire to the headlight. Found the yellow wire coming down from up here. Spliced it in. I'm gonna wrap all this up. It's all getting taped. But oh, nothing. Anyway, tape all this up. Put this shit over it. Tape it up again. Put it back in there. Post when I'm done. Got it taped up and kind of nice so far. Nice little enforcement. And then there's your finished product. Even put the clip.